Hey Jams, welcome back to another video. You know it's that girl Nia. I'm sorry I've been away for so long, but your girl's back and she is coming with the bangers back to back. Hello. So guys, we're not gonna much chatting because the video I do after the whole video make and edit and everything. So yeah, just make sure you drop a subscribe, like, and enjoy the video. Mwah. Kisses. You already know what the video about. Hello. Not I read. Anyways, let's go.
Oh, what is
Guys, get a project at its soap. And I'm gonna post for 2 weeks now and I'm gonna say
What?
no sir. This not look good. I'm supposed to start post like, but no worries guys. Content will be coming non-stop.
People, problem.
Anyways, let's go. From Gajing team, they're Sergeant Chuck already. So guys, I'm just gonna eat and something. So I'm probably gonna sleep or put up my hair. Something comes still wanna sleep chat. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna sleep. And yeah. So guys, whenever I go sleep, I go bed. And yeah, I went to bathe. I don't know what I'm gonna do. When I sat there, why am I look so well and chat? The glass I'll be using now. After the Melissa working, school kinda it a push back a whole heap of things which I'm kinda happy and I'm kinda glad for. Because you know, exam time I come for it, eh? So yeah. But and also guys, altogether thing got cancelled.
Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off.
It got cancelled. Like why? But anyways, so basically them cancel it because I want school, which I don't understand why them cancel it because I want school. Because one school out of the 9 schools, they cancel the whole show.
Cut the show. I'm done. Take me off.
Hello. Like when I get it. And I think it's the school, I think them affected by the hurricane or something. But other schools are also affected and them get back on them foot and whatever. But it did also late in the competition to start by the competition. So I understand say why it cancels because it wouldn't make no sense neither. But at the same time, I don't want to cancel.
A few moments later.
Guys, so I was rudely interrupted by my father. And yeah. So, as I was saying, yeah, All Together Sing got cancelled and stuff. So, it is what it is. So, we have to just accept it. So, my dad is laughing at me like, why is he laughing at me while I'm making my content? Anyways, so, spend the day with me. I don't know how to spend 24 hours with me. I don't make a make that vlog about. But me not do nothing for them days. I'm not do nothing. I don't do anything. I don't do nothing. Like, girl, you don't do nothing.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, guys, I got robbed.
You look like you're not paid down there.
I got robbed. I got robbed at school. Them going in my bag to come up person and rob me. Me not do it, you know. Why? You know what? I'm not gonna say that. I don't care. But yeah, I get robbed and them never do nothing about it. So like that is so crazy. Like, oh, me get robbed and I feel like the person going in my bag take out my purse and take out me the have 8 grand all and I'm pressing
I'm not okay, cause
guys and they got 6 grand and I left 2 grand.
I don't like your mentality. You have the wrong meds, bad man. That's why.
How considerate, because tomorrow is Thursday and Friday. No, the other day is Friday, and she has 2 days leave in the week. So them automatically think say, oh, $1,000 for each day. She don't need so much money. It's like, hello, excuse me, and them take away my debit card, guys.
What?
Them thief my debit card. How rude! How rude! But gotta watch your stills. What if I think to them? But we're not gonna talk about that. I'm gonna have the vlog them coming like back to back. Back to back, back to back. Guys, I say I wish I could get a camera for the Christmas. Any family member will watch this?
I'm gonna get money. Yeah. Aki. This looks so fabulous. Guys, I'm gonna try it. Believe I wait to reach that room, I'm gonna try it right now. So I'm gonna waste some time, but I try the first one. I'm gonna make the first one that I give fabulous. Like, girl, how you gonna make this? So guys, me did I say I'm gonna think the inside cook at first, but at the second thought me I say yo, the little big texture inside and the fried crisps outside just make it fabulous. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. But no, make it a 10 out of 10. You understand me? Yeah, because I'm cooking. Hello.
Guys, this is inspired by out of my head. Yes, I tried to buy one apple pie. I want to have an apple for the pie, so I say my dumpling. I use banana.
I wonder how we are going.
So guys, welcome back to the video. You know it's that girl near. Yes, so guys, I'm going to the bush. I'm going to look for coconut and jelly. Yeah guys, and the fold them when I hear in the background. Yeah, the fold them. They come and fold them. I carry this. That's if the juice them good. So let's go chat. You know I'm a country girl. So yeah. And step on the coffee tree them. Guys, don't
Sebab ni saya nak post ni kecangkak tu. So guys, we soon reach the jelly tree. Do not laugh because it's not funny. It is not funny. Guys, remember that laugh at me in the chat? So she's picking. Oh, not booming out. Oh, that gun there, so she picked that one there, guys. But think kali ala bon sila pikin na. Woo! The whole bunch, guys. Oh my god. She got it. She got it. She got it. Yes. Come here sometime. Especially them time here. When the red ants bombard. When the red ants them active. Shit! Yo, no them my bite at. Fire. No sir. I can't go up. Try to go up here. As I go up. So guys, I'm gonna be right now. I'm gonna eat the cake for some love belly. Then I'm gonna be. You look at bananas look like I eat the. Guys, I made it to the end of the video, but wait, before I close out the video, I had a chit chat about Stranger Things since I just start watch the movie, like the series. Me late to everything. I'm late to everything. Like me barely watch show. In fact, when they start watching anything, they start because me say, you never grab me like grab me. But no, since I pay attention, it's been grabbing me, okay? So far so good. Although me wonder why people them so stupid. Can reach which episode reach now? Reach up episode 6, 7. Yeah, what I'm reaching the music part which part the girl going to the water and she go see Will in the grave tomb something. That's what I reach. But I still can't understand why Nancy she see the something and go in at the tree with the slime something like how you gonna see that and go in at it like what? Anyways, yeah. I still not understand. I still not get the concept. But white people are white people. When I bash them anyways, look at the show bad and show mad. And me I go watch it till it reach at the new season just drop. Yeah. So yeah guys. That's all I have to say about the show. It's a fabulous show. If you haven't watched it yet, go watch it. I'm recommending Stranger Things, guys. I'm recommending it. So as I said earlier, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. And please comment your funny or your favorite moments in the video.
And tell me what you think about the video. You like it, you dislike it, you think we should do something better. In fact, when you don't come from my cooking, do not come from my cooking. I thank you. Bye. Subscribe, like, and share the video. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. We can reach 400. Oh, yeah. Anyways, guys. Much attention. Anyways, bye. Mwah. Love y'all. Oh, guys. I know I'm gone for long. I'm out. Peace.